How to get better stream quality on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can get better stream quality on Discord. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to get better stream quality on Discord, first of all, you just need to go ahead and then launch the Discord application. So go ahead and then open up Discord and you'll be able to see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now after we open up Discord, what you have to do is you have to follow all the steps which I described in this video. So let me just go ahead and open up Discord first of all. After you open up Discord, what you want to do is from the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see this little user settings icon. Just go to user settings. Once you go to user settings, you'll see all these kinds of various options. On the left hand side, you want to look for the option called voice and video. It would normally be under app settings. So go ahead and then click on voice and video. Once you click on voice and video, here you will see all these options. Now we're going to actually scroll down a little bit and you can see this option called video codec. So you want to make sure that this is unchecked. So what this does is that you can see it says disabling open H.2.6 for also disables hardware accelerated video encoding if available. So you want to make sure that this is unchecked. Now when this is unchecked, what this does is that if you don't have a good enough GPU, for example some Windows or PC don't have a good enough GPU, it's going to free the GPU of that work and then it is going to reload them to CPU. So if you don't have a good enough GPU, it's going to offload that application or that work to the CPU. So make sure that this is turned off. When this is turned off, this will be turned off naturally. And once you do that, now you could just go ahead and try to stream anything and see if that fixes the issue, because most likely it would. And hopefully this video answered your question. If this video helped you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.